up, guys? About to get in with another video. This video I'm going to show you my massive TEGU setup. This cage is approximately 7 feet long, 28 inches wide, and about 3 feet tall. And go in there. I was like, if I want to, I can't lock the door. Now when we come in here, we have one first water bowl. There's a bubbler on it to keep the water just not still, keep it moving. We have a little tunnel for them. And we had a couple of plants in here, just something to make the tank look nicer. And we have a UVB bulb for Amigo, so he has all his UVs and everything like that. And an additional light right here just for more light. We also have a humidifier for him, and he's back there right now on the rock. All right, let me just get him out, and we're gonna feed him some mealworms. Just got him out. Here he is. My 2.5-year-old Argentina TEGU. His name is Amigo, and as you can see, he's just checking it all out. Just woke up from a nap. Now the thing about him is, when I got him from the guy, he actually lost his tail and it's starting to grow back now. And you can see the shed, the difference between there and there. He still has shedding on his tail. It's a lot harder for his tail to shed now because that it regrew back. So it takes a lot more moisture and a lot more like moving it around for it to actually come off. We've been trying to work on taking it off his tail for a while now. And actually, I forgot to say, back there we do have a heat rock. He's going to lay on it right now. So he has many sources of heat in this tank. It keeps us about 85 to 90 degrees in here. And we're going to get some of his favorite mealworms to feed to him. Sorry guys, looks like Amigo's not gonna want to eat today. I did feed him yesterday, so that might be the reason why. And I do want to mention that if you're considering a TEGU as a pet, you should probably do a lot of research, because he will get approximately 20-25 pounds and about 4 to 5 feet long. It's like maybe not because of his tail issue, but still they're going to get very, very chunky, very big animals that you need a lot of space for. And to mention that this tank, this is a pond liner all the way through, and then we throw dirt, topsoil, and mulch and sand all mixed in, and some coconut fibers also for it all to for a nice substrate. And just want to say thank you guys for watching, and if you have any more video ideas, let me know. See ya.